Right now I'm releasing 3 videos. They're all gonna be fishing various places over the past, like, I believe 2 months. I haven't been uploading much. I've kind of been busy, so I haven't been like editing videos. So I just have a lot of footage. I'm hoping to upload 3. So we'll see how that goes. There's a little guy. First fish of the day. Little tiny bud on the jerkbait. That's like, look at the size of this. Look at that. That is funny. They're the same size. But let's put this guy back. Go back, bud. If there were muskie in here, that'd be so cool though.
Oh, if there were muskie, it's like the probably the best thing.
Remember a carp? I don't know if that's a carp, Kyle. Bass?
It's a huge bass.
It is? Go. I'll help you. I'll help you. Shoot. Shoot.
This is bad.
Pull him over here. He's like 5-pounder. 3-pounder. Almost 5. Dude, don't lose him. Bring him right here. Oh, shoot. I don't want to get wet, dude. Oh, it's a nice one. I'll grab him. He's so slow. Oh, yeah.
That's a fire. I'll go get the scale. Oh, let's go.
I'll bring him over. Oh, I got wet.
That's fine.
Oh, that's good. Take him.
Go. Good.
It's so nice. I bet you that's like 4.5. Oh, it's like pretty bad on the thing. 4? Oh, shoot. I stepped on the rod. It's good. What was that noise?
What? 4-pounder, yeah. Here, can you take a picture? 23 inch?
I'm not sure.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah. Okay, put him back. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say. We have a fish on. Oh!
That's pretty big.
I know. I don't want to break off, like, honestly. I'm really scared. Did you, like, I cast it straight out. I was trying to demonstrate. I was trying to demonstrate the cast that I did before. I'm so scared, though. Oh, I can see a spinner. No. Dude, this is scary. Oh, God. Big. Can you help me grab it?
Yeah.
Actually, I'll grab it. I'll grab it. I'll grab it. It's fine.
Hold the rod?
No, it's fine. I'm just pulling this guy in super slow. I'm scared.
I don't think it's not easy.
It's not, but it's big.
Nice.
Oh, I don't want to break off, though. Come on, bud.
Actually,
it's pretty big. Come on. I don't know what's up with this pond. Don't break me off, dude.
ooh, a pike.
Oh, he's right there. Barely. I think he has like one hook.
He's not even fighting.
Oh,
he's not gonna break you off. He's not. That's 20 pound, right?
Yeah. I think. I'm not sure.
It looks like 20.
Come here, bud.
He's not gonna break you off. The line's on his mouth. You can sort of just horse him in.
No, but he's just like being annoying. Okay, there. Oh, this is so. Okay, we got him. Oh, got him. Oh, Jesus. We got him. We got him. Oh, wait. Whoo!
That's like 30.
I want to measure him.
I don't have a measuring tape, but if you do.
You don't?
No.
I don't with. Oh, wait, maybe I do.
You missed your tackle box, right?
Oh, you're right. You're right. So I'm going to take this out. And that's on the tiny spinner.
That?
On that.
Okay, so do that.
33 inches. This pike didn't put up that big of a fight because they're all post spawn, but we're just gonna revive him until he wants to go back in. It's gonna take a while. Is he almost ready? There he goes. Got one, guys. You got a pike on. Oh, it's a little guy. There he goes. It's not breaking my, always hung up. Get out, bud. Thank you. Come on, you're so close. There he goes. Okay, we got him out. There he goes, little guy. But they're still fun to catch. Right away. Hit it right on the fall, I guess. Oh, and he's back in the water. There it goes. Maybe one wants it that fast again. Oh, that's why I hate this spot right here. It's impossible to cast. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, this spot's loaded with them. There he is. Go back. Oh! I guess we got someone's Mepps spinner. Honestly, someone who watches my videos probably, this is theirs. Mepps number 5. That's funny. It's on a leader too. There's a bass. Hey, chill out, bud. I don't know what's up with the bass in this pond, but they always seem to have orange eyes, orange or red eyes. I'm not too sure what that means, but oh wait, now it doesn't look like that anymore. But little guy. Let's put him back. Go back, bud. Oh, we just lost one. Let's tighten that drag a little bit. That was a nice fish. Nice take too. Just destroyed my swim bait. I bet you he'll bite again. He looked pretty hungry. There he is. We just lost him again. Ah, shoot. Got a bird's nest. Got a bird's nest. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there's a fish. There's a pike. And I got a bird's nest. You're joking. Look at that. Let's go grab him. There he is. Little pike to eat a swim bait on the fall, I guess. Swim jig on the fall. This is on my new Ultra Max rod and reel. So that's nice. Little pike. There he goes. Guys, this is shish kebab.